1. Do the T-plank. Grip a pair of 5 to 10 pound weights in each hand and get into the push-up position, holding your body up on the weights. Make sure that your legs are positioned wider than your hips to give you better purchase. Raise your right arm and hold up the weight, opening up to form a T with your body. Repeat this move on your left side. This combination constitutes 1 repetition. You'll need to do between 10 and 20 repetitions. For beginners, just raise your arm as high as you can. As you get stronger, you can increase the range of your lifting. 2. Do a pec push-up. Lie down with your abdominal muscles tucked and your spine firmly pressed to the floor. Hold 2 5 to 10 pound weights in each hand and raise your arms up. Keep your palms turned down and hold your elbows firmly against your body. Now, take a breath and lower the weights to about 1 inch from your chest, breathe out, and raise them again. Repeat the procedure up to 40 times. 3. Do the C-sweep. Lie down facing up and hold 2 weights above your head with your palms turned up. Draw a C with each arm, bringing your arms toward your hips. Return your arms to their original positions, and then repeat the process up to 20 times. 4. Do push-ups. For this type of push-up, you'll be balancing your arms on weights instead of flat on the floor. Get down on your hands and knees, and with your hands on the weights placed just a little wider than your shoulders, lift your body up so that you're balanced on your toes. Carefully lower your chest toward the floor while stabilizing yourself with your core muscles. Then raise yourself back into your original position. Repeat this up to 15 times. If this is too difficult, balance on your knees instead of your toes. Check out the link description below.